Hey guys, this is Brian Ludwig Smith and Walker, your local plumbing DeWalt rep. I just wanted to tell you about a new product that we have available. It's called the Atomic Recip Saw. Very cool item for tight quarters, cutting PVC pipe, cutting wood, cutting anything that you would do with a regular recip saw. But now it's just a very small, tight quarters recip saw. So just wanted to go over a couple of things with you. As you can see, it's a 20 volt brushless tool. It's got a 5/8 inch stroke length and 2800 strokes per minute maximum. It's a variable speed trigger, so you can't adjust how fast that's going. It's got a pivoting shoe, LED light. That's becoming pretty commonplace with any of your DeWalt tools. You can see for the bare tool only, we have a MSRP of $149, and then for the kit, which includes a charger, a bag, and a 5 amp hour battery, you can get it for $269 MSRP. Just a couple of the cool features for this, because this one's got a lot more features than what I've seen on some of the competitors' brand. Number one, you got a belt hook. I mean, that's genius right there. You're working on a ladder, you're working outside, or you're working under a crawl space. Throw this thing on your belt and you're good to go. Obviously, we talked about the variable speed motor, the brushless motor. What's cool about this is the brushless is just going to last you a lot longer. So as contractors, people are going to be using this a lot. You want it to last for a long time. That brushless motor there is key. It's a compact size, only 12.5 inches from front to back. And you'll notice from top to bottom is awful small as well. Some of the other brands have a really large head on it where the motor is, and it takes up a lot more space, so it kind of limits where you can get in and out of. Like I said, LED light. It's also got a hanging cleat, which I think is cool. It'll hang right there on a piece of 2x4 or whatever. You can just hang it there while you're working. So belt hook and a hang cleat. I think just a genius idea from DeWalt. You can see this is what the kit combo looks like. Just some information on the competitors' brands out there. We've got several different competitors. As you can see, but the DeWalt beats them in size and features all the way down the line. And then on the rest of the items, they're pretty much comparable. So very cool item. You're looking at quite a bit of difference. And here's the thing that I would just point out is on the weight. That's the bare tool. When you start adding some batteries in here, it can get almost close to a pound difference or more, depending on which brand you are comparing it against. So a very cool item there. Just a reminder, we have various different sizes in our recip saw category. This is our newest one. That's the smallest one. Here's our compact. And then we've got our 60 volt here at the very top for some really heavy duty cutting if you need that. These are our part numbers, the DCS369B for the bare tool, and then the DCS369P1 for that kit. Obviously, just a reminder to use your safety equipment, and then a couple quick questions to answer. Does it have a variable speed trigger? Yes, it does. Can any recip blades work in it? Yes. It's got that standard chuck in it that everybody likes. Can the blade be installed upside down? Yes, it can. So that's something pretty unique to us. Is the shoe adjustable on it? It includes a pivoting shoe, but the shoe doesn't adjust from front to back, if that's what you're wondering. Is it compatible with the 20 volt and flex volt batteries? Yes. So all of our batteries on that 20 volt and flex volt series, I mean, this is a big thing with DeWalt, that flex volt. You need to look into it if you haven't already. And then what is the warranty? We have a 3-year warranty, 1-year free service, and then 90-day money-back guarantee. So be sure to go visit your local plumbing supply store to buy this. That's how I get paid, so just a total shameless plug there. But go visit your local plumbing supply store. Get a new DeWalt Atomic Recip. It's going to really change your world as far as getting into some of those tight quarters and being able to cut pipe or material. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And as always, I appreciate your business.